Hey guys, and welcome back to Simply Handmade. If this is your first time here, my name is Kell, and today's DIY is probably one of my favorite DIYs. I'm not gonna lie. I've always wanted a mantle so I could decorate for the holidays, and I don't have one in this apartment, so I was super excited to make one of my own from pallet wood that I just had laying around out in the back balcony. Guys, I love it. I love it, I love it, I love it. I cannot wait to decorate for the holidays. If you're interested in knowing how to make it, of course, keep on watching. But before I let you go, why not hit that subscribe button? Like, just click that subscribe button, right? Like, join the family. I would love to have you. Definitely click on post notifications too, so you know when I upload a video. And let's get started. To make this mantle, I took a 2x4 from leftover pallet wood I had laying around from my barn door build, and I drilled a few pocket holes with a kreg jig. I made sure I adjusted the bit and the actual jig to match the width of the wood, and I did the same for 1x2s and 1x3s I cut down to size. Definitely check out my blog post if you want the exact measurements for my mantle. Ideally, I'd have a single piece of 1x3, but I didn't, so I joined these two parts together with pocket screws. I found the middle of the 1x3s and I added 1x2s to the middle and the end of the board. A quick tip is to make sure the pocket holes are all facing the same direction so we can designate that side as the back. I added some wood glue to the 1x2s, I clamped it to the main board, and I screwed it in place. I took these 1x2s I cut with a 45-degree angle, which is the same length as the top piece of the mantle, and I attached it to the wood like this. I made sure the longer side was facing up and the shorter side was facing toward the bottom. I patched up the wood with some wood filler and sanded it down off camera. I attached the mantle with pocket screws, then added a coat of polyurethane to seal it all in place. While the palette was drying, I painted the main wood part with this white paint, and when that was dry, I nailed it into place with a brad nailer, making sure the back of the 1x2 little thing that I just built is in line with the back of the actual mantelpiece, the shelf mantelpiece. Hopefully that makes sense. I used the drill bit, then a countersink bit, and screwed in some wood screws. I wanted to make sure this was super secure, so I kind of went crazy with the nails, as you can see here, but I patched it all up and I sanded it and painted it off camera. I marked up where I'll be putting the anchor screws and the hooks on the mantle, and I also made sure I was placing the bottom screws where it would be covered by the hooks. I leveled the mantle, I grabbed some coats to make sure it was the right height, I leveled it again and again, and I finally drilled in some drill bits for the anchor screws. I took off the mantle, then drilled in the anchor holes again, and then hammered the actual anchors into the wall. I screwed the mantle into the wall, then painted over the mantle and added some hooks. And that is it, guys. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please consider subscribing to this channel for more DIYs and let me know what you guys think in the comments down below. I'm kind of obsessed with this mantle. Don't forget to check out the blog for detailed instructions, and if you found this video helpful at all, definitely share it with your friends. Thank you guys again for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye!